These are the elevators at the Brittany Apartments in Wilkinsburg, Pennsylvania. These are old Dover traditionals with Adams replacement buttons. That EPCO fire service. But it has Westinghouse looking drop case, so maybe these are Westinghouse for the Dover, I'm not sure. But sadly, ugh. And it's by our least favorite company. Go down to Garage 1. Just like Grandview Point Apartments, literally exactly the same model. Whoa. Very vibrant. Here you go down. But it's just a slap-on mod. They still run like vintage elevators. This one vibrates. That's weird. Whoa. Here at Garage 1. Go to roof. Door closes when you press the button here and go up. The fan is annoying. Your roof, that motor is loud. Whoa. Some construction up here. These things do not run that great. We'll go back to the lobby, which is a far button, which is weird. 88 phone. Our least favorite company. Do the investment building certificate. Basic painted cab. These things still run like vintage elevators. The other one is Kone sensors, which was probably here back to the lobby, which is the 5th floor. Kone sensors probably done before this mod. Ugh. Yeah, but then again, we got Dover here. We got those like GAL indicators. I think they're close, and that's gonna be it. But then there, that looks like Westinghouse or Otis or something.